Okay, today guys, we are very excited because we finally got our kayaks. We get to open them up, see what they're made of, see if they're roomy enough to fit us and our gear, and hopefully tomorrow we'll be taking them on a practice run. That'll be my first time ever in a kayak. So I'm a little nervous, a lot excited, and we'll see what happens with that. We decided to go with inflatables because we figure when we start traveling full time, they'll be a lot easier to carry around. All right, let's go. Let's see what these babies look like.
Boo! Want to see what they look like, lady? Watch yourself. She rips it right out. Well, that's done for me.
That's all there is to
They
it.
come in a big bag.
All right, just gonna rip them both out first and then we'll go, huh?
Oh yeah.
You want the knife?
Really, the woman?
Oh, you got it.
And,
I guess I was busy watching the guy.
boy!
No, that's not overdue.
I wasn't.
Oh, you ain't seen nothing yet, ma.
You ain't seen nothing yet.
Okay, let's...
What we got? Oh, steaks.
Yeah, it does.
Woo! Pump.
Is this a seat?
Not today. The couches.
Directions, which...
But now she don't bring the knife.
You don't need. Now you need the knife?
No, not now. Tomorrow. Because then we'll go back in the box.
You're the little skedler, sketty. What is this called? A sked? Skedler?
Here it comes, walking down the street. What else we got?
Paddles.
Paddles.
Nice big bag.
Look at this.
Okay, let's see.
There's supposed to be a little thing in
It
here
looks
too.
pretty nice, huh? Okay.
Gotta do the floor first.
Floor first.
Right. What the hell is it? Hi, Hubert.
Hello.
There's another people.
Ah,
Right,
right
there's
there's
the floor.
the floor.
So hook up your pump. We'll leave you do the floor.
Right.
Really?
Okay, grab the pump.
Oh, that's yours.
I did, but it came apart.
Oh boy. Hand
Get
pump.
the right one. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. And she is blowing the bolt.
You gonna go get the power one?
Oh no, oh no. You're gonna do this by hand. We're gonna show them how fast it takes.
Okay.
3 hours later.
Supposed to be a little piece of paper that you go like this are.
Oh, probably in that bag there. With the manual.
Oh god, words. No. Not words.
Yeah, the fat boy's gotta get up.
They're the worst.
The fat boy. Keep going, dear. You almost got it.
Caving in.
You go, girl. Hey, I found the instructions. No, these are patches.
Oh, yeah, I figured that. You better hurry and find it. I might blow this floor up here. It's getting pretty...
Stop. Pull it out and seal it.
So that took like 2 minutes, huh?
Not even.
Whew. Well, we don't know if it's... I think...
Here's the thing. You put it on. It
Yeah.
should be, the weight should be inside.
Got a little measure thing that tells you if you have it blown up enough. Perfect.
Alright? And there's number 2.
Your turn.
Well, I'm showing you, like there's one.
Yeah.
I
There's
gotta find the number 2 one.
one for each chamber here. It's right by
There's
the...
number 2. It's actually listed how you should do it.
Right.
This one here has got 2 valves on it, actually.
The Indian Audi.
Okay. One's a no flow back.
Like belly buttons.
No backflow. So whatever you put in there, it'll stay in there. And this one down here, You loosen it up and it just leaves everything go. So actually it's pretty good.
No backflow? Can't relate.
Relate like you ate a lot of beans.
We need to get one of them for you, dear, so there's no back.
Damn, it's too early in the morning for that, alright?
How to get exercise when I'm doing this. Oh, she'll come.
Yeah. That may be easier to see.
Boom, boom, boom.
Chicka boom, boom, boom. Oh, we lost the beat. It's okay.
But actually, this ain't bad at all.
Well,
No, I mean,
it looks pretty fast.
How's it look?
A little bit more, I think. Because it's still too wrinkly, I think, when I get that.
That's coming around, see that?
Yeah, a little bit more. Perfect.
Can you see? Watch this. Zoom in.
Zoom in on this baby.
mm-hmm.
Zoom in on the backflow.
No air.
That's actually nice.
That's 1, 2. Over here, you gotta do number 3 now, baby.
Oh, my turn again?
Yeah.
Hey, hook me up.
Hi. You learn how to do this.
So I got this all recorded for the police. As long as it doesn't involve batteries, I'll figure it out.
There's 2 valves. And this valve here ain't tight. And guess what? You'll be pumping all night.
Like Lionel Richie.
Okay, you got penis envy, right?
Thing has a life of its
You heard that one before, right? Things got a life of its own.
Ready?
Go! You go, girl. Look at that, it's starting to spread.
Even I'm getting a little tired over here.
I was wondering if it's going to open up.
Yeah, it's really skinny.
Oh, that'll be good. And get your paper. Hang on. You got to go on this side. Where's it go? I don't know. I'm asking you.
A little bit. A few more pumps. Okay. Yep.
I think that's number 4 the guardsman's drove by.
He wants to be with us.
Let's try for 6.
Okay, 3. 1, 2, 3. I like these because these are numbered how I do it. Right here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 4.
Down there's 5.
5. Okay.
Now this one here is going to just take a little.
Yeah, these won't take much. They don't even have a line, do they?
No. Which one do we need? Oh, that one. There, you want to pump this up?
Yeah, it's your turn.
On that side.
Imagine must not be much left to pump up.
No. You can do it. Go, girl. Come on, faster.
It's not going.
I wonder, what'd you do, girl? Okay, fun's fun. I don't think this pulls up.
Oh, that doesn't go?
Doesn't seem like it, just that piece there.
I gotta get this thing quick, huh?
Okay, go. Oh, what the hell are you going? Go. Okay, come on.
Ah, stickers.
Gotta watch it, it'll sneak up on you. Always check to make sure the holes covered.
Oh, you put your little skidder in there.
I ain't gonna put
Words to live by.
Not here on the ground. No.
down here you put your little skeeter rubbers.
Stabilizer.
Stabilizer. Always make it, if you don't have that, close up, you'll get wet.
Those paddles, you playing badminton, huh?
Peanut butter. Yeah, we just gotta felt it in there, go felt the fish.
That's got a Velcro on it. Force it down in there.
That's how it stays.
You know.
The illusion of a tear.
Yeah.
It's like a little cradle.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay. I'd like to know how once I get in there, I'm gonna get out.
Don't worry, honey, I'll roll you. Just carry money on you. What is it?
And you don't go down in it too far, huh?
Pretty comfy, no?
This is a good thing.
You can't relax on the seat though, because it collapses.
Okay.
But we got room for some gear. And we'd probably have to sit like this and put some gear in here.
What did you do?
I hide amongst the trees.
No. You show me.
So I go like this.
Oh yeah. Keep paddling, baby.
I think I've been embraced by the tree.
Woo, rough water's coming.
I can't see how you fit two people in this.
Very uncomfortable, right? I could sit like this is much more comfortable.
But you have to stretch your legs out sooner or later.
Oh, you can put your.
Well, that's when we go ashore every so often.
Mm.
Oh, you can slide it back a little bit for the.
And then
Yeah.
I can put a little something back there. Okay.
There we go. It's important to film the exit as well as the entrance.
The graceful exit.
Yeah.
I like it so far, but we ain't in the water yet. That's the scary part.
That's how you do that. Somebody sprinkle me. No, don't you dare.
Don't you want to make it look real?
That's a little too real.
Well, I can do this, so.
Look at this.
Is this a Viking funeral or a kayak? I don't know.
It's a float down the river, and
Yeah, we don't have any gear, obviously.
When?
this is why we brought two.
Yeah, and this is why we got two of them, because
Ain't gonna happen.
Oh, hey, I got good feeling.
You forgot your your what the hell we call them? Life jackets.
Shoot. Oh, life jacket.
This is how you kill your wife.
Okay. on camera?
Always on camera.
Okay. That's all right. You seem to be doing a dang up job. Okay, we'll put water in post. It's fine.
Put in water is not included.
Yeah. Rivers and lakes are not included.
All right. Well,
Yeah. Right, you ready? Hey!
hell yeah!
Hell yeah!